Look at this. Woohoo!
My newest purchase. I bought this at the beginning of lockdown sometime last year, and already did like 400 miles on it, so not the brand new stuff. But I gotta say, it's fun to ride it, so if you're looking to buy one, highly recommend it. It's fun to ride, it's pretty good transportation solution if you're trying to travel across the city. It's also pretty good image stabilizer, so if you're looking to get one, I highly recommend it. They have like two types. One XR, which I have right here. It's a more expensive one, but also has a much bigger range, like 18 miles on one battery, on one charge, and also the other one, it's called Pint, and this one is like 12 miles range. By the way, the losing weight challenge that I've recorded a video about in spring failed, so we're gonna have to start over sometime this fall. Let me know if you're up for this. I have many stunning contents to share in upcoming videos. Stay tuned for that. We just came back from the trip to the northwest coast, and earlier this year I filmed every possible corner in Florida you can think of. Also, we are not done with traveling for this year. Originally we had the plans set for Labor Day weekend with the trip to Hilton Head Island in South Carolina, but we had to change our plans, and we're gonna go to Europe. We're gonna visit Germany, Poland, and Croatia. If the weather is gonna allow us, we're also planning to go to Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. So let me know in the comments down below what you want to see from this part of Europe. We are going to explore Florida in upcoming videos, so if that's something you're interested in, just stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.